So for today's trade of the day, we're going to go with really one of the biggest markets in the world, that's euro dollar. We're looking at a short from about 11 o'clock. Now, today's been quite an interesting day, some real scything moves to the downside on a number of markets, actually picking up quite dramatically as the day went on, and particularly on the equity side of things, some significant profits on some of those equities in the afternoon. But sticking through to euro dollar, short from about 11 o'clock. Now, this is a trade that we were still in when I was doing my webinar at 12:30 today. So let's just go through that trade now. So pretty textbook, sniper short, 132.80 where my cursor is right now. You see those indicators rejecting the high side, starting to pull back down again. The sniper coming in indicates only from green to red, and there's my opportunity to sell, 132.80. Now this is quite a nice trade because actually the risk isn't too bad. You know, we're looking at risking about 20 points, just shy of 20 points on this trade here, and looking for a target of pretty much the same thing. So about a 1-to-1 on this trade, and a very, very nice, easy to identify trade there at 11 o'clock this morning. More importantly, one of the biggest markets out there as well. And let's just see what happens. We're seeing the market really stabilize, and in fact, very much from that entry, moving against you very, very quickly indeed. Starts to pull down, gathers a little bit of speed into 12 o'clock, and then whoa, back up she goes, and suddenly that sort of 15-point profit or 12-point profit suddenly reversed dramatically very higher, and now you're thinking, God, I should have got out of it. Now should I take out it now? When should I get out? What should I do? Suddenly the emotions are starting to really take control, and that's where the right strategy comes in, the ability to run that trade correctly. The indicators are still red for now at least, but in any case, you've got to stop in. You've got to target in. Don't let your emotions take control and steer the trade for you. You've already planned what you're going to do with the trade to stop the target, so just let the trade run out. The way you feel isn't actually going to make any difference to the result of the trade, other than perhaps making you exit earlier. It's certainly not going to have any impact on what prices are actually doing. So we see prices start to move around a little bit more. Suddenly the emotions are really kicking in there. You're about 13 points offside here. And then down, down, target hit, profits achieved, moving on to the next trade. The key, I guess, with this trade is that two keys really, I suppose. One, easy to identify entry, and two, with the right management style, or trade management style, you're going to give yourself the opportunity to maximize your profits, not get spooked out on the wrong move there, till eventually the trade did what you expected it to do in the first place. So at Trend Signal we teach all of this. It's not just about entries. You know, entries are fine, but the exit is the most important part of the trade. It's the exit that we're going to teach you and coach you on so that you can maximize your profits and so that you can pick up this 20-point plus move on euro dollar that took place today. A nice move, and really illustrates the importance of managing those trades effectively, and why Trend Signal is so much more than just a software solution. It is for trading. It is about learning to trade and putting the right trade management techniques in place. It is that's going to help you maximize your profits and maximize your income from trading.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.